So we are a data infrastructure company for commerce in general. Primarily, we focus on food delivery, point of sale, and marketplaces. So if you've ever ordered food or goods on DoorDash or Uber or any of these marketplaces, there's a very, very real chance, most likely, that it is our data that you are touching. So Woflow has been using Apify for roughly 5 years now, and we made that shift when we decided that we didn't want to run our web crawlers on Ruby anymore. We wanted to become a more modern stack for web crawling in general, and we also didn't want to manage our own infrastructure as our needs for scaling have become much larger than they were before. Woflow is using Apify to power our entire web crawling platform. We write all of our own code. We use the SDKs provided by Apify, but we have Apify actually run and host the vast majority of our crawling infrastructure. So anytime we're going out and interacting with other data pieces on the web, we are using Apify to do so. When we were running our own web crawlers using a Ruby framework, we had to manage all the infrastructure ourselves. We had to scale it up, scale it down. It was costly. It was time consuming as well. When we made the switch to Apify, we saw a huge change in just time spent monitoring and overseeing the infrastructure itself. When you're scaling out thousands of concurrent web crawlers, that becomes a huge pain. That's not something that, it's not trivial. So we just eliminated that entirely from our day-to-day tasks. So often we do run into situations where there's new platforms that we're not familiar with. We haven't written these crawlers for them yet. And so before, it would take us a few days per site to actually make these web crawlers. Now with the framework and with everything that you guys have brought to the table, it takes us far less than a day in order to bring on new platforms. And right now we have hundreds and hundreds of platforms that we support because of Apify. I've recommended Apify to numerous founders when I hear that they're doing any sort of web crawling, and every single one has adopted it. And every single one has told me that, yeah, this is a very obvious solution for them. Not all of them are using it to the capacity that we are, so it's not as critical to them as it is to us. But for us, and just like showing everybody the power that it has, like everyone's adopted it. I've never heard anyone go back.